Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Apple Pay issue. Your iPhone is currently unable to use Apple Pay. For example, if you try to connect your iPhone with the Apple Pay and you see this kind of error on your iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to click on general, and here you have to simply look for transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply click on reset all of your network settings. And after that you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back and check you have connected the proper payment method. So if you want to use Apple Pay on your iPhone, so you have to simply check for the payment method, or if you have to check whether your iPhone is in available region or not, which means if your Apple Pay works in your region or not. So you have to make sure that you are living in a region where Apple Pay works. So if you want to change your region, so you have to click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to click on media and purchases, and here you have to click on view account, and after that providing the password and all the details, you have to simply check for manage payments, or here you have to click on country or region, and you have to check whether your country or region supports Apple Pay, or if it doesn't support, then you have to simply change your country or region. And after that you can also click on manage payments, and you can simply add Apple Pay and try to re-add. And after that, if the problem is still there, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and you have to simply connect to the Apple support, and you have to ask for the solution. If the problem is still there, then you can also discuss the problem in Apple discussion, and you can ask any of the users on Apple discussion whether they got the problem of the same type, and after that you will ask them about the solution, how they get the solution right. So in this way you can simply solve the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.